Okay, students, good afternoon, students. Maths 2A topic is quadratic expressions. What is the problem? Prove that the roots of x minus a of x minus b is equal to h square are always real. Okay. We can prove that the roots of this equation are always real. When the roots are real, already we know that nature of the roots. When the roots are real, discriminant is either greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. Okay. Given that, so what is the given equation? Given equation is x minus a of x minus b is equal to h square. Okay, now we can simplify this equation. Find the product of the left side terms. X of x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. Right side term can move from left, that is minus h square. X square, in the students what is the common term? Minus of x is the common term, minus of a plus b of x plus ab minus h square is equal to 0. This equation represents a quadratic equation in terms of x. Now we can find the discriminant of this equation. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Where what is the value of b? X coefficient minus of a plus b whole square plus minus 4 into a 1 into ab minus h square, that equal minus whole square plus a plus b whole square minus 4 of ab minus h square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab minus of minus plus 4h square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab minus 2ab plus 4h square. The first three terms is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab can be written as a minus b whole square plus 4h square can be written as 2h whole square. This is delta. Okay, if a minus b is either positive or negative, the total value is whole square means that is always positive. 2h is either positive or negative, this value is also positive value. Positive plus positive is always positive sign. So delta, this total value is always positive, means greater than 0. If delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real roots. Therefore, the roots are always real. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి a minus b పాజిటివ్ కావచ్చు నెగటివ్ కావచ్చు అన్నమాట. హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. 2h పాజిటివ్ ఆర్ నెగటివ్, హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్. పాజిటివ్ ప్లస్ పాజిటివ్ is always positive sign. Positive we can take always greater than 0. If delta greater than 0, what is the nature of the roots? The roots are always real roots. Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Okay, next one, next topic. Not the condition for the quadratic equations a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is equal 0 have a common root. Common roots is, if the two equations have common root, then the condition is c1a2 minus c2a1 whole square is equal to a1b2 minus a2b1 into b1c2 minus b2c1. If two quadratic equations have a common root, then the condition is c1a2 minus c2a1 whole square equal a1b2 minus a2b1 into b1c2 minus b2c1. Common roots ఉండడానికి కండిషన్ ఉన్నది. Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Write out the problem for the common root concept. Problem: if x square plus 4ax plus 3 equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 is equal to 0 have a common root, then find the values of a and the common roots. Okay, if the two equations have a common root, then we can find the values of a and the common roots. Okay, listen here. What are the given quadratic equations? Given equations: x square plus 4ax plus 3 equal 0 and 2x square plus 3ax minus 9 equal 0. These two equations comparing with general quadratic equations a1x square plus b1x plus c1 equal 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 equal 0, where what's the value of a1? Where a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 4a, c1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal 3a, C2 is equal minus 9. Common root condition. Common root condition is C1a2 minus C2a1 whole square is equal to A1b2 minus A2b1 into B1c2 minus B2c1. Now we can substituting the values A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2 value for this condition. In this condition, what is the value of C1? 3, A2 2 minus C2 minus 9 into A1 1 whole square is equal A1 1 into B2 3a minus A2 2 into B1 4a into B1 4a into minus 9 C2 minus B2 3a into C1 3. 3 2 ja 6 minus of minus plus 9 whole square is equal 3a minus 8a into minus 36a minus 9a. 6 plus 9 15 whole square is equal 3a minus 8a minus 25a into minus 36 minus 9 minus 45a. 15 ja 225 is equal minus of minus plus 545 ja 225 a square. So 225 get cancelled. A square is equal 1. A is equal to either plus or minus 1. So first we can find the value of A. That value is either plus or minus 1. Okay, everyone note this one. And also we can find the common roots. Okay, continue to them. Everyone note this one. Okay, completed. Okay, what is the value of A? A is equal plus or minus 1. So case 1. If A is equal to 1, given equations x square plus 4 into 1 into x plus 3 equal 0, comma x square 2x square plus 3 into 1 into x minus 9 equal 0. So x square plus 4x plus 3 equal 0. 2x square plus 3x minus 9 equal 0. Now split that equations. X square plus 4x plus 3 mean x plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal 0. Minus 18. Minus 18 mean 6 3 jump 18. So what are the factors? 2x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 9 equal 0 mean 2x minus 3 of x plus 3 equal 0 mean x is equal to 1, x equal minus 1 comma minus 3. Here x is equal 3 by 2 comma minus 3. So in the four roots, what is the common root? The common root is minus 3. In second case, case 2, similarly, if a is equal minus 1, the common roots are, the common root is 3. Therefore, so the common root is totally, the common root is plus or minus 3 are the common roots. Plus 3 or minus, in case 1, what is the common root? Minus 3. Similarly, if a equal minus 1, the common root is plus 3. Finally, what is the common root? Therefore, the common root is plus or minus root 3. Plus or minus 3. Okay. What is the value of a? Plus or minus 1. What is the common root? The common root is plus or minus 3. Okay, student. The remaining problems will be continued on the next class. Continue in next class. Everyone note that one, and thank you. Have a nice day.